Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we're going to explain how to fix blurry text in Windows 10 in a simple and practical way. This video will walk you through several system settings that help reset related display and app behavior properly. Step 1. Right-click Display Settings to open Windows Display Controls. Step 2. Under Scale and Layout, select 100%, which is the recommended option. Step 3. Click Advanced Scaling Settings. Step 4. Turn on the option that says Let Windows try to fix apps so they're not blurry. Step 5. Right-click on the affected application shortcut where the issue is happening. Step 6. Click Properties to open detailed configuration options for that application. Step 7. Click the Compatibility tab inside the Properties window. Step 8. Click Change High DPI settings to adjust how the app handles scaling. Step 9. Check the available option shown there. Then click OK. Step 10. Apply and OK again. Click the search box on the taskbar and type Adjust ClearType text. Step 11. Click Adjust ClearType text from the search results to open the ClearType setup. Step 12. Click Next to begin the ClearType configuration process. Step 13. Select the text sample that looks best to your eyes. Step 14. Click Finish to apply the ClearType settings. Step 15. Again, right-click on the desktop and click Display Settings. Step 16. Under Display Resolution, select the correct or recommended resolution for your screen. Step 17. Right-click on the Windows icon and click Device Manager. Step 18. Expand display adapters to see your graphics driver. Step 19. Right-click on the display driver and click Update Driver. Step 20. Click Search automatically for drivers and wait for Windows to check. Step 21. Click Close once the process is complete and restart your PC. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Windows 10 tutorials.